It can't be that easy, can it? Or can it? Today's your lucky day. I've got something for you. As you can see, pretty bog standard empty bit of border. Now this is going to be behind a workshop, so not very visible, but it does need to be maintained. I only really want to get behind there maybe once or twice a year just to tidy it up, but that's fine. The great thing about wood bark and wood chip is that it pretty much looks after itself. So if you get leaf fall on it or anything, you know, mess, you can just rake it over and everything kind of contains within it and it just rots down, and then all you do is top it up. Ideally, I want to be spending 1 hour every year behind there to tidy it up. That's not bad, is it? What's the best way to add wood bark to your border? Well, you don't want to lug these big heavy bags all the way around your garden. Just stick them in a wheelbarrow. See what I mean? Let's cut this open. I need to go and get a knife. As if by magic, a knife. Right, so what you do, you cut the bag. And like I say, if you've got a wheelbarrow, it's much easier than lugging this massive 100-litre bag of wood chip about or whatever. Just to open it up into the wheelbarrow. There you go. One full wheelbarrow of wood chip. Let's get started. Grab it, chuck it, get it in there where there's any patches of soil you can see. And that, keep that border nice and tidy. Hey, how easy was that?
Like and subscribe.